Hello guys, welcome to Tech Talkies. Today I'm going to review an unboxing of Tenda 150 Mbps wireless adapter which helps converting non-supporting wireless Wi-Fi platforms into supporting platforms. Like if your PC or laptop does not support Wi-Fi, this adapter helps in supporting the Wi-Fi in your platforms. So let's do unboxing. So we have the device, the adapter and the driver's CD, and here is our device, Tenda device. Now go to your PC and insert the adapter in the USB and insert the CD. Now open the CD, go to app and install the setup. Select the second option. This process will take at least 5 to 6 minutes. Now go to your Wi-Fi networks icon in the notification bar, and you can see your PC is supporting Wi-Fi. Enter the password. Open the browser. Now you can see my Wi-Fi has been connected and the internet is working. Thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day.